muri andaawo nga ndi wano ekyadondo ku office yaife eyenYRM nga ndidi okunona fomu zoba okulaga obwenzi mu kwenda okwesimbawo ku bwa chairman LC5 eruuka. Process ya wano ebaire mpanvu mukuku aye tewabeere kulinda nga lwotyama bakola ku mangu ntambwire ku meza ndowooza diyoti 5-7 aidwando nandibisemu nga wazira bwire bugiire mpega anoze ekintu eriyo okwesimbawo ku bwa chairman LC5 kyakuleeta kwiza suubi mu bantu abaluuka. Abantu abaluuka bali bavuire bawere musuubi mu bukulembeze obuliwo bolingira sawa dino IGG report ya Frimenga luuka nesinga kulya nguzi nga luuka nesinga kitunda milimo mu Uganda yona so ekyo ekifaanani muri andaawo nze n'okuvaayo okwenda okutolawo ekifaanani ekyo ekibi ekititimbibwaku ku bukulembeze obuliwo.
Nze bandagirira obuzibu obuliwo nange ate nga obulamba emu ku nsonga abalema bagayibwa nnyo oba banyomebwa nnyo to extent nti no buli amulaba agala musulirayo ka sente tamulaga ko lya kufuna mu sente ndaya zizokulanga ensonga enjirongoosa buli mulema wali abo bwekitiibwa abenga yevubira yekka nga ina project emuteeka sente mu nsawo so sikulindirira kumuyamba eyo ensonga enkulu social economic empowerment and transformation jengenda okusimbako essira nga ombaka omujja agenda okukiikirira abaliko obulemu era nsaba abaliko obulemu bonna mu Uganda banneyambise ate bankoze ate bantekemu obwesige kubanga ndisigenda kutandika butandisi.
Muzadde munnange teri kyabugaga kyoyinza kuwa mwana wo okujjako okumutwala mu ssomero eddungi Light the World Kindergarten Primary School ly'essomero w'oyinza okutwala omwana wo. Bano basomesa abaana okuviira ddala ku top kirasi okutuuka ku kibiina ekyokusatu. Bayigiriza abaana kompyuta n'ava buto ng'amanyi ekyokukola. Balina ebyokuzanyisa by'abaana omwana alemwa kwetamwa kusoma. Bano balina n'emmotoka ekima abaana n'okubazzayo nga bamaliriza okusoma. Light the World Kindergarten Primary School basangibwa Kasubi gwabeetaaze bakubire ku ssimu zino wammanga 0757 97 799 98 oba 0760 89 33 35.
Happy that I've picked nomination forms and I'm now ready. Anzija, I'm coming. Rubavu County, I'm coming. The nomination process the picking of nomination forms has been the easiest way and fastest process. Each table you spend almost a minute, and I'm happy for the organizers. My people of Rubavu County, Rukunje district, you know, I like development. Businje Doreen Nzamba yentunguka wherever she is, Nzamba sounds and development begins. You know, we've worked on several projects in different sectors. In the health sector, we've built houses, beautiful houses for Buyanja Health Center 4 houses. We've built spring water wells. We've built toilets for schools. We've supported in education sector. We've supported children in primary schools.
Testing for the area MP of Abim district, that is Labuer constituency. My major reason for contesting is to bring about leadership transformation, which I summarized in what I refer to as the 10 golden plans. In the 10 golden plans, I intend to improve on the education system in the constituency, also try to alleviate the poverty that people of my people of Abim are going through, and also to improve on the health status of my people. The past leaders have failed to represent Labur constituency effectively. Many of the youth are unemployed and they have turned into robbers, thieves, because they are unemployed. So we intend to have some projects. We intend to support people with disability. We intend to support women project. We also intend to...
My priority number one is to unite people from our district. Because why I have ventured to unite people, I have looked on ground. I have seen that people from our district are not united. So that will be my number one priority. Then priority number two is to effectively give services to all the people of our districts. Then why I have ventured in prioritizing services is because I have realized services generally have paralyzed. When you look at the education sector, really it is a bit very disappointing, especially when you look at the PLU.
One, I will represent my people. I will also do budget appropriation. I will do oversight for all government programs that is within my constituency, and I will also support my people through corporate social responsibilities like education, like supporting funeral services and other community services that I will offer to my community.
To express interest to stand for position of the district chair, Komoko district. I like politics. For the last 30 years I've been in politics. I've been a councillor for 10 years. As now I talk, I am LC3 chairman for Media Sub-County Komoko district for 20 years. I think that's enough to take me to the district after seeing all the weaknesses and other challenges which is facing our district. So I've come here to pick my nomination forms. I'm very, very grateful that all my documents are verified, and they are wishing me
Jojo, the constituency of Mwenge South County, and first and foremost I want to commend the work. First and foremost I want to commend the work NRM has done, the Secretary and the Election Commission. We are here in 2020, but the process was a bit different and a bit tedious. But today the process is smooth and all is moving well. I want to commend the work of the NRM Secretary and the Election Commission they have done to improve on the process.
What has this part been to run in your local language?
Ukresile ningenda kwesimba ensonga za bantu ba Kingojo kandi Mwenge South. Ensonga ezi nizo ensonga zenkurakurana, ensonga z'obumu kandi ensonga z'okugenda mu maiso kwa bantu ba Mwenge South. So ensonga nyingi tinkujja kwebazako okino baitu ninja kora press conference endi maze ensonga zone ezindi.
Kaliro district ndeyanziza okubasangano aba media kubanga aba media mukola omulimu munene n'okuzaalibwa kwa Yesu mwaliwo nga asasani amawulire ago kale kyova mbatamu ekitiibwa aba media. Ndidi okwesimba okubwero C5 flag ndikwenda kufuna flag ekaliro kubanga naliyo oku 2011 naira ku ekisande ekindi ayo wagati awabaawo ebizibu omunange yairayo nsazeewo ndireyo ekalire etambulire ku speed nge district ya zona bwediri kutambula mu Uganda eyo n'ensonga eri kundi zaawo ano natuukawo oidi bino ebya ife local politics natuuka ku Thursday was here okutuuka ku Thursday nga bali kunkoba namba mnote aneni are member abanda kuligisa abantu ako koba ndipaka bunajja yeda for finance director finance ya kubira no Mr. Otto okulinga mu bitabo ngeri na lirimu aye nga balondesa baife admit antaire ku ndoza line bibye maybe has his candidate aye awali Katonda tuliwo
Gomba district chairman wa district ya Gomba era guno gwe mulundi gwange ogugudize wano okujjayo empapula eza ensobozesa okubeera ssentebe ow'ekisanja ekyokusatu. Ebibiri mbimaze ate mbikoze bulungi, ku nsonga lwaki komyewo nate nkole ekyokusatu malirize ebyo ebitanaba kugwa. Ebisaanyizo babikebedde nga bulijjo tebiriimu yadde akatonyeze. Mukimanyi nti banagomba mu mampeera n'ensoma n'engenda n'enunula eggwanga lino nga tuli wamu ne muzeeyi waffe kati oluvannyuma nenzijja mpeereze mu ngeri yemu ey'obukulembeze era disitulikiti ngikute bulungi mu mirembe ne mu byenkulaakulanya. Siryayolesa mu mubiri enkulaakulana mugiraba, enguudo muziraba, abaana batwala mu ssomero mbawa basalies mbawa emirimu. N'olwekyo ensonga lwaki nzize mmalirize ebitanaba okuggwa ate nga nkakasa bijja kuggwa. Ate mutegeere nti ne ku Lwokuna tulina pulezidenti mu disitulikiti byonna tujja kubyongerako. Ekyagomba okubeera n'entalo z'ettaka tekiri mugomba wokka, kiri mu kiyinza ogamba Uganda yonna, naye most cases kisinga mu central. Ate mu central kati nga Gomba nga bwogambye, Gomba luli twali wala ne Kampala, naye bwe twamala okufuna ekkubo eriva e Kampala Pigi Gomba Sembabule abafere ne bayingira. Abedda baali tebafangayo kutereeza by'amataka gaabwe, na kaakati tebana kutereeza era tubakubiriza okutereeza. Kati omufere wayingirawo n'aba nga alabye abantu balinga abakyali abeebafu n'akozesa omukisa ogwo atandika okwagala okuba nti abanyaga. Yensonga eyo omuntu n'atunda ettaka ng'ate kuliko ab'ebibanja n'akozesa amaanyi abagobe, naye ffe twafunvubire nga.
Actually, I'm the first female candidate to contest for this position in Kasese municipality under the NRM party. Today, I want to thank NRM for this smooth process. The line was not there, the tables were moving swiftly, and I also want to thank the NRM party for giving me this opportunity to represent my home area as Member of Parliament and giving me a chance to stand. I call upon the people of Kasese municipality to walk this journey with me so we can rebrand Kasese and give it endless opportunities to recover its socio-economical development and be one of the best districts and recover its tourist name.
Anga zili mudira lidova ma ile ziri awadufe me marerisi.
Names again?
Ma ruki akunve tabani ya sin. Atopa LC5 ru yumbe district ga.
Gulu district, an aspirant for the position of woman member of parliament in the forthcoming elections. Of course, starting with the NRM primaries that I hope and look forward to being successful in on the 16th of July 2025. Thereafter, we head for the bigger elections.
What has inspired you to start?
A lot of issues inspired me or took me off my feet to come for the race because they need solutions that need people like me. When we look at how our district is lagging behind in terms of service delivery, that starts right from Parliament because that is where budgeting takes place depending on the priorities of the citizens. We see that we are under or not really properly represented in the position of a woman member of parliament. When we look at
to pick my nomination forms, I had to come early because I know there are so many people, so many activities, and I also have many things to do. So I came very early. I'm happy with the process here because immediately I came, there were people to receive me, and through the process I do not get any challenge. So right now I have finished the process. I have my nomination forms which I will take to the people so that they can let me call it do a refill for me, because I've been in parliament. The people have trusted me for the last 4 years now, and I'm requesting them to give me another chance. as a medical doctor, I want to call it a refill, because they already served me with enough votes to represent them in the parliament, which I have done very well. Now I want a refill so that I can take them for another